And here's how our unicorn birthday banner turned out. Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. Unicorns are always a super popular birthday theme. So if you're trying to throw a birthday party on a budget, I'm going to show you how I made this inexpensive and adorable birthday banner to help you save a little money. So let's get into it. Open up your Cricut Design Space app. Click on New Project, then click Images. Type in the words Note Card, and then on the side, change the ownership to free. Now I could have just searched for a banner or a pennant, but I wanted a more exciting shape. So anyway, scroll down to the bottom until you see this particular shape. Or you can choose any shape if you'd like. Click on Insert Images to place it into your design space. Rotate the note card shape 90 degrees so that it is standing up vertically. Click and drag the note card to change its length to 6 inches. Go to the layer section on the side of the screen and click on the eye to make the second layer visible. Now click on the note card and copy and paste it 4 more times so that you have 5 note cards on your screen. Change the color of each layer to create a pattern. I used 5 different colors for my banner: purple, pink, blue, green, and yellow. The color that I used on the top layer of the first note card, I put that on the bottom layer of the second note card, and I continued this pattern on each note card until I went through all 5 of the colors. Now it's time to create our designs and our letters for our banner. Click on Images and type in unicorn. You can choose any unicorn that you like. The unicorn shape that I chose was 99 cents. So click on the unicorn that you want, then click Insert Images. Move the unicorn on top of the first note card. Then click and drag to change the height to 4.222 inches tall. Then copy and paste to move your unicorn on top of the 5th note card. Click on Flip and flip horizontal to change its direction. Click on Offset to add a second layer to the unicorn. Change the distance to 0.1 and click Apply. Change the color of the unicorn to gold. Go to the right side of the screen and click on the unicorn's bottom layer and change that color to white. Ooh, by the way, if you like party decorations, check out the crafts I made for this LSU football party, but after you finish watching this video, of course. Now we're going to add the text to our banner. I am spelling out the word 1 for our first birthday party, but of course you can spell out happy birthday or any age that you like. However, as your words get longer, obviously you're going to need more cardstock paper. Click on the word text and type the word 1 in all caps. Click on font to change it to Bernard Condensed. Change the height to 4.147 inches tall. Right-click the word and select Ungroup to separate the letters and drag each one to its note card. Go to the top of the screen and then click Offset to add a second layer to your words. Make sure that the distance says 0.1 and then click Apply. Go to the side of the screen to highlight the second layer. Then go to the top of the screen to change the second layer to white. Now change the top layer to the same gold color as the unicorn shapes. Repeat the process with the other letters. Okay, so now we're done designing our banner. Click the Make It button and then click on each page to change the material size to 8.5 by 11. Hit Continue. Now you're going to go over to your Cricut machine and make sure that it is set to cardstock. Look at your computer screen to make sure that you put the correct color cardstock paper on the mat. Smooth your cardstock paper out and load the mat into the Cricut machine. Press the Load and Unload button and then the Go button and let your Cricut machine do its thing. When the machine is finished, press the load and unload button. Then you're going to throw away all the unnecessary paper and then repeat the process for each cardstock paper. When all of the cutting is complete, organize all of the pieces on your desk into their different groups to make the assembly process more manageable. Glue both layers of note cards together. Both layers of letters together. And both layers of the unicorns together. Now glue the letters on top of their note card and the unicorns on top of theirs. Use a hole puncher to punch holes in the top corners of each note card. Now you're going to cut off 6 12-inch pieces of pink tulle. Roll the ends of the tulle up so that it will be able to fit through each of the holes. Tie double knots to secure the tulle, but make sure not to tie it too tight so that you don't rip the paper or that the note cards won't overlap too much where you can't even read them. Next, cut all of the tulle pieces except for the 2 end pieces to about 1 inch long. The reason you're going to leave the end pieces of tulle longer is so that you'll have something to hang your banner with. Now this is just my opinion, but the key to a great banner is layers, texture, and 3D elements. You want to make sure that you add lots of layers. The note cards, the letters, and our unicorns all have 2 layers. You also want to switch up the texture. The unicorns and the letters use shiny gold cardstock to switch it up from the regular cardstock in this banner. You can also use glitter paper or any cardstock that isn't perfectly smooth. If you want to switch up the ties that connect the banner, you can use lace, yarn, ribbon, or anything else that works. Finally, if you can add 3D elements to your banners like paper flowers or anything else that sticks out a little, that will make it even more fabulous. And here is the finished result of our unicorn birthday banner. This banner is so cute and so easy to make. If this video was helpful to you, then hit the like button because that helps more people discover my channel. And subscribe if you'd like to see more craft videos like this one. And check out my website at DeAnnCreates.com. If you have any ideas for crafts, for celebrations, or Cricut crafts that you'd like for me to make, drop me a line in the comments. I will respond to them all. Until the next time, I hope that you continue to add a little more creativity to the world and keep coming back because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys.